Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. I hope you guys are doing well, and it's actually quite humid here in the UK. It's been quite hot and yeah, hay fever and just everything. So excuse me if my eyes look a little bit red. It's the hay fever and stuff. But yes guys, so I'm going to be reviewing this fringe turban. Yes, this fringe turban. It looks it doesn't really look great like having it on here, but yeah, I'm gonna be reviewing this fringe turban. Now remember on my last video, if you watched my last video, and if you haven't, please go down to that video and have a look. And I did say I'm gonna be changing it up a bit, doing like different types of wigs, like different type unique things, you know. And I find this very unique, this turban. Now the material is like a silky material, so it's a silky material. This type of green, I don't normally wear this type of green, but this was the only color they had in this. So yeah, this was literally the only color they had, and I was thinking, gosh, they should have had more varieties. So yes, I'm going to show you with it on, but before I put it on, I just want to show you how they've done it. Obviously they've put like a long strip in the front. It's just literally just one strip, not two, not three, just one strip there. No grips, no grips on here, which I think they should do grips, but they got a drawstring. So I'm assuming this drawstring is when it grips the back of your back of your nape, back of the back of your head, and that grips it. So I'm assuming that's what would hold it. And depending on how you have your hair, if you're not going to have your hair plaited underneath, then maybe that can help it a little bit, give it that to make it feel a bit secure, where it's more full. So my hair underneath is cane rolled underneath, so we'll see how that goes. And like I said guys, I'm here to do reviews on stuff, so I'll give you my honest review. But I think with this you definitely would need to kind of have your hair out. When I mean out, I don't mean having it out here, I mean have it out from here, because it will give it that kind of body. But yes, so I'm gonna try. So I have put this on. Let me just adjust this so you guys can see it a bit more. Yeah, so I've put it on, and you've got the drawstring at the back. So what I've done, I've tightened it as much as I can, and I've kind of, what the drawstring, you don't want it hanging out, so you need to kind of hide it underneath into that hair bit. But you know, I think it's actually all right. You probably it can go both ways, if you have it cane rolled or if you actually have your hair out. But I've literally tightened the drawstring really tight on here, so it does feel secure. So I will say you won't need any grips. Now, as for this side, you might have to train it. Now, I don't think this is heat resistant, so I'm not going to put the heat on because this is synthetic and I don't want it to mess up or burn. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some mousse, put a bit of mousse on here, and probably try to train it to stay down. So far I'm liking it, it's alright. It's just that these sides, just got to kind of just train it a bit. Yep. Yeah, so this is a turban fringe, guys. Like, who would have thought to think of an idea like this? Turban fringe, yeah? Let's see if you want to go to the side, sweep it to the side. I mean, you can sweep it to the side if you want, but you know, you got to train it that way to stay to the side. I'm not really feeling it, so I'm going to have it in the middle, the full fringe. Yeah, so you just kind of mold it that way, and it will definitely stay down. And even if you have one of those mannequins. Just place it on the mannequin, put a bandana around it, and it will stay molded. But I don't have time for that right now, guys, so I'm just gonna leave it this way. I'm quite happy this how it is. I'll just show you the back. You see? So this bit is a drawstring. So you obviously don't want it looking like that, do you? So you need to tuck that in. And it is very secure. Like, I've tightened it so I've messed it up now. I've tightened it so tight that it is proper secure. So you do not need no grips or anything on the side. Yeah, it's really good. And I'm assuming with this color you can rock black, you can rock white, you can rock a few jeans. I'm not sure what other color, because you might be slightly limited with colors that match this. Just so it looks a bit nicer. Actually put this around your ears. So you can put it around your ears. You see that? So yes, I think you can put it around your ears. I think it looks better that way if you don't decide to put it on the mannequin and hold it down, whatever. But to be honest, I might just cut it off, because it is like, it does get on your nerves. It doesn't need to be that long. Just probably like go down this way, kind of. Yes, guys. So I think that's what I might do. But yeah, guys, will I wear it all the time, guys? I'm not really sure, because I don't really do hair up stuff and stuff like this. So I don't know if I would actually wear this all the time. I think if you're that type of person that always has it up like this, then great. I prefer the other one on my last video, so I don't think I'll be wearing this. I'm just being honest with you guys. And also, should have said to you, so here they've just glued this bit. They've used glue to glue this so it stays down. I mean, it feels like it won't come off anyway. But yes, so that is it for my review, guys. Please like and subscribe. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Leave your comments down below. And you shall see me soon on my next video, guys. Thank you. Bye.